Many of Star Wars' iconic sound effects were created by sound designer Ben Burr, using some very curious and inventive techniques. The lightsaber sound was made by combining the hum of an old-fashioned reel projector with the sound of a microphone passing over TV static. R2-D2's voice was created using sounds made on a synthesizer and mixing those up with Ben Burtt's own voice as he made baby noises. To get Darth Vader's iconic breathing, Ben Burtt placed a tiny microphone inside the regulator of the scuba diving suit and breathed in and out. Finally, the TIE Fighter sound was produced by slowing down the sound of an elephant screaming and overlaying it with the sound of a car driving over a wet pavement.